Hello everyone, this is the Budgetarian Tech Reviews. My name is Mimi and sasamahan ko kayong mag-check ng mga gamit at equipment na pang home office na pasok sa ating budget. Kaya kung bago kayo sa ating channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, so for today's video guys, we're gonna be unboxing and checking itong gaming headset na nakita natin sa Shopee. Ayan, so huwag na natin patagalin, let's open it. This is coming from China guys, so if you can see, hindi masyadong na-pack ni seller yung box ng maayos. Medyo yupi-yupi siya on the sides, on top, actually, all sides. So open natin siya. Ito yung front, side, back, and the other side. Ayan. I will flash the specs on the screen. It comes with a warranty card in Chinese. Operation instructions. And then here's your headset. Comes with cat ears, which is a silicone type. And the unit itself. Cable for audio and mic, and then this one is for your audio jack. So adjustable na to guys, yung cat ears niya. Ayan. So pwede nyo i-adjust if you want them closer together or further apart. There. Medyo malaki siya. There's this lot of space here. So, I guess for if mas malaki yung ulo mo or something. So, let's try it on our device. So, for now, I'm gonna try it on my mobile. Ayan, alisin natin tong cover. And then, let's play some music. And then, this is your microphone mute slider, and this one is to adjust the volume. Let's try the bass. Okay naman, hindi sabog yung sound. But you cannot really expect yung sobrang solid na bass. Naman siya. Let's try the mic. So I'm gonna open my recorder. And then let's see. External mic will be used to record audio. And so I'm recording my voice right now, and I'm gonna check if it's getting the voice. So let's just make sure our mic is not on mute. And then check natin kung okay ba yung noise cancellation niya, if this is something that you can use for work or if this is something that your kids can use for homeschooling. So, there, I already recorded my voice. Let's save it. And then, let's try playing it. Okay siya guys, for like noise cancellation. Right now kasi naka-on yung fan ko. So, usually, if there's no noise cancellation on the microphone, the fan's gonna be heard dun sa mic, and okay naman siya dito. I mean, you can still hear the fan, but it's not that prominent dun sa sound. So, maganda yung microphone nito. I would definitely recommend that you use this if you like it for work at home or for homeschooling for kids. Kasi gusto yung mga kids yung mga ganito, diba? Ayan. I bought this, guys, in Shopee for about 1,800. I will just post the link here and the price. Ayan, hindi ko kasi siya maalala. But there. Sabi dito, this is gaming headset talaga. So, you can use it for gaming. Sabi dito, 7.1 stereo version daw to. And then, yun nga, it comes in an audio jack. Mas prefer ko sana kung USB siya. Kasi para digital na yung sound. But the audio jack also works, so that's good. Pros and cons. First pro, cute siya, tingnan. Especially for girls who like this color, for kids who like this cartoon thingy ear. So, nung nakita to nung mga anak ko and their cousin na girl, gusto talaga nila tong cat ear na to. So, it doesn't have LED lights here, unlike some of the gaming headphones that I'm seeing online. But, yun nga, for me, it looks good. It works great. Ang cons lang siguro, masyado siya malaki. I know they patterned it to like the Razer, I don't know, the Razer gaming headset. But yeah, medyo malaki siya. Medyo, for me, mataas siya. Mas okay sana kung this is closer to your head. But it's a little bit bulky, so if you don't have that extra space on your work desk or on your study table, then medyo kailangan mo siyang hanapan talaga ng mapapagsabitan or mapapaglagyan. Because you can just keep it in a drawer, diba? Apart from being bulky, I don't see any other cons. It's affordable for this type of headset and its functions. And the other thing is, yun nga, sana USB siya. I mean, it always depends on the users. Sa akin kasi mas prefer ko yung USB so I can use it on my computers. Pero if you're gonna use it on your phone or on your gadgets, then this works. Kasi meron siyang audio jack. Okay, so guys, here comes our budgetarian rating. For the design, I would rate it 4. Simply because wala siyang LED here. And this is too big and bulky. Sana medyo pinaliit pa nila. So, this is not adjustable, yung itong part na to. Ito lang yung adjustable sa kanya. For comfort, we'll be giving it a 4 as well. It fits snugly. Kasi ito nga yung nag-a-adjust sa kanya. And yung sa ears niya, yan, malambot naman siya. Yan, kita nyo. So, if you're gonna be wearing this for like more than 5 hours a day or more than that, then hindi siya mabigat sa hindi naman siya ganoon kabigat. Hindi siya mabigat sa ulo and sa tenga. And hindi siya yung parang super close talaga yung tenga mo sa kanya. Ayan. So, and then also for value for money, I would give this a 4. Kasi for this type of headset, ayun, sakto naman siya sa price niya. Like I said, if you're gonna compare it to sa mga Razer Kraken, which is about 5,400. So this is like the budgetarian version that you can get. A total budgetarian rating of 4.0. Thank you again for watching with me today, and I'll see you again on our next video.